Here's what we like about the LEVOIT humidifier for cleaning. So this is the base of the unit. Here's your water reservoir. Nice and easy to get inside here with your full hand to clean it. We usually use this brush. You can get in every nook and cranny, to get that cleaned out. And also, here's where your water vapor comes out. You want to be able to make sure you clean that. So with that, we use the same brush, goes inside down there and clean it. And on the bottom, sorry about the video, it's a little tough here with one hand. There's the insert piece here, and this has a little tab on it right here. Pushing that tab and this pops out. Then you're able to scrub the inside of this. We use the same brush to clean it. And then it easily, if I had two hands to do that, you can just push that and it pops back in place. Here's the base. That is also very easy to clean. It's wide open. We use the same brush to do that. It also does come with a little mini brush here that helps to get inside here and clean. This is your float. This one you can pop out, clean both sides of it, clean underneath, nice and easy. And then it's easy to pop this back in place. It's nice and easy to fill from the top, which we really like. So if it's running and starting to get low, you can just take a picture and fill it up. Here's the lid. Easily pops on top, all adjustable for aiming. And the unit itself, you can see on here, it has, it's got a night light. You can turn this on at night, which shuts everything off. Right now it won't show you because we don't have water in it, but then it has 3 separate settings: low, medium, and high. I would highly recommend this unit.
Aries enjoying his nap on my bed, but there is the humidifier, which is good for his breathing. Maybe that's why he likes it.
Easy to put together, simple display, easy to use, worked immediately.